Hello everyone. So in this video, let us talk about one more problem from LeetCode. The problem name is longest common prefix from the interview preparation series I've been working on from LeetCode. So there's a complete series on that, a complete playlist. I've been working on that, and you can find out the link of that in the description of this video. So stay tuned. So the problem statement in simple terms states that you have to write down the function actually to find out the longest common prefix of the string among all the array of the strings that you have. And if there is no common prefix, you just return an empty string. Okay, so first of all, you have to know what is a prefix is. So I'll just tell you in very simple terms what is a prefix, and then we'll move forward. So let's say that you have a string like this, A, B, C, D, E. So all the strings that can be formed from this string, like that can be like taken out from the string, such that like the first point of the string, if you want to like find out the substrings of this string, all those substrings of this string such that the one point of that substring should start at the first element. So this, and this, which means that only A, B, A, B, C, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, E are all prefixes of this string, which means that prefix, which means starting from the first. So all the strings that has which start from the very first element. So these are the substrings of this particular string, and these all substrings start from the very first element, like the first character. So these are prefixes of the string, and you have multiple strings that you have with you. So let's say flower, flow. So flower, okay, flow, and flight. So you just have to find out the prefix, like the common prefix, a common substring which is common in all the strings. So as you can see that FL is common in all the particular strings. Like if you just move ahead, then it has O, but it has I. So that is not a common prefix, because a common prefix is a string which is common in all the given strings that we have, starting from the very first character. So this is only the FL. So the answer is FL, I think so. Yeah, FL. So how you can do that? Now there are multiple ways to solve out this problem. The way I use this, let's say that I will assume, I will take that my common prefix for the till the first element I've seen. So I will be moving along all these strings from top to bottom, or let's say from left to right. And what I'll do is that I will say that my common prefix is answer, and that is the complete first string, because I have only seen the string up till now is this. So I'm moving around this array that is from top to bottom or left to right, whatever you can say, but I'm moving around this whole array. But up till now, till the first element, I've only seen this string, and because I've only seen this string, the complete string is a prefix for me. Okay, now when I move from this to this, what I'll do is I will find out a prefix between this answer and this particular element. Okay, then what I'll see is that in this and this string, the common is till FLOW. So which means that now the prefix of the string that I have, that is the answer, turns out to be only FLOW, which means that the prefix till these two strings which I have seen is FLOW. Okay, then I move to the next string, and then I find out the prefix of this string and this string. So what I can see that the prefix between this string and this string is FL. So the answer will be just FL, which means that the prefix till all of these strings is FL. So what I'm trying to do here is that instead of checking out everything by everything, I will just take a common string which I am telling that is the prefix, and that prefix I will be checking with every string moving from top to bottom. And we can just take this string and find out the common prefix. That can be done in O of n, find out the common prefix. And for every string we are doing this, so it is O of n, so it is O of n square. Okay, that's a particular way. There can be multiple ways. You can use different type of more optimized way also to solve out this problem, but in the brute force way, or according to the constraint, because the string length is very small, you can do this in a very brute force way. Okay, you can make in the most optimized way. You can use prefix trees also. The prefix trees is also one of the possible ways you can use. Okay, and prefix trees can be used, but and that will to solve this problem out in a more optimized way. But I don't think so that is required because of the given constraints. But you can learn about prefix trees also, and then I will make a complete video of prefix trees also. So stay tuned on this series. Okay, so how I'm done in this problem is that I have used this particular function this function, what I've done is that I've taken the first string complete as my answer. That is the complete prefix. Then I'm iterating over from the second string from I equal to 1 till the end. And I'm finding out the prefix between the answer string and the ith string. And updating that prefix to the particular answer, so that whatever the prefix, updating the answer, then using the same answer to find out the prefix with the next string, and so on, and I'm updating the same answer. So that's the particular solution that I'm using here, and in the end it's returning out the prefix among all the n strings. Now what this find prefix function will do, this function will just take two strings and find the prefix between them. So how you can do that, it will take two strings, whatever is the smallest, iterate over this particular smallest string, and just see that if the ith character is same as the ith character in the other string that I want to check it out. Okay, if they are same, then we just keep on building out the string. If at any point it doesn't match, it will break out and just return another particular string that we have built till now. So if I just give you in simple terms, if let's say that we have the string, let's say A, B, C, D, and the other string is A, B, D, C. So what it will do is that we have the two strings, we will just make a particular I. Okay, it will move from left to right. It will just check the ith character of this particular string and this string are same. Yes, they are same. So it will make a new string. Let's say a new string. And a new string first character is A, that is fine. Then it will match the next two characters. It is same, yes. Next two characters, they are not same. So it means that the only prefix of those two strings is AB. So that is the AB. So what it's doing here, that it iterating over this whole two strings, I equal to this particular string, the ith character are matched. If they are matched, we just appending it in the OK string, and in the end, wherever it doesn't match, it will break, and whatever the string that we have formed till now in the OK string, we just return that particular string, and that is the prefix of the strings that we have sent in this function. So that's the whole solution and code part for this problem. You can practice out, and it will become more intuitive to you and more creative. So thank you for watching this video till the end. I will see you in the next one. Till I keep coding, and bye.